In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an offer in Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach out to a seller with a clear, professional offer using the Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and have a stable internet connection so messages send without delays. If you haven't updated the app in a while, updating can help you see the latest marketplace features. Next, look for the three-line menu icon at the top right of your screen. This is the main menu that helps you jump to different parts of the app. Depending on your device, you might see it at the bottom right, but the icon looks the same. Tap that to open the menu. From here, tap Marketplace. This takes you to Facebook's buying and selling hub, where you can browse items nearby or search for something specific. You'll see categories, filters, and a search bar if you want to narrow down by price, location, or item condition. For today's walkthrough, we'll focus on sending an offer once you've found something you like. Open the item you're interested in by tapping it. Take a moment to scan the photos, read the description, and check the price and location. It's a good idea to note any details about pickup or shipping that the seller has mentioned. If anything is unclear, you can address it in your message along with your offer. Now, look for the message or text box on the listing page. This is where you'll enter your offer to the seller. Keep it simple and clear. For example, you might write your proposed price, confirm availability, and mention pickup timing that works for you. Being polite and specific often gets faster replies. If the item is high demand, consider offering a fair price and showing flexibility on pickup to stand out. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information, stick to the item, price, and logistics. When your message looks good, tap Send. Your offer will go to the seller through Facebook's messaging system. You'll usually get a notification when they respond. If you don't hear back right away, give it some time. Many sellers check messages periodically. You can keep the conversation in the same thread to confirm final price and pickup or delivery details once they reply. And that's it. You opened the Facebook app, navigated to the menu, entered Marketplace, selected an item, typed your offer, and sent it. Follow these steps, and you'll be making confident, courteous offers on Facebook Marketplace in no time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your purchase.